Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the phone model and Android version. Open settings about phone. Once ready, backup photos and contacts to cloud or PC so nothing is lost. Make sure battery is above 50% or plug the phone in to avoid interruptions. Now go to Settings Connections Data Usage to see which app triggers the data warning. You're starting the fix by locating the warning source and ensuring you can safely change system settings without risking data loss. Once you've found the app listed under Mobile Data Usage, tap it and inspect background data permissions. Disabling background data stops the app from triggering warnings and excessive use. If the app must run in background, mark it as unrestricted in settings so the system won't block it. Make sure Data Saver is off or that the app is allowed through Data Saver exceptions. This prevents the OS from limiting network access and producing repeat warnings. Finish by clearing the app cache and, if necessary, reinstalling the app to reset its network behavior. Once done, check Settings Software Update and install any pending updates, because firmware fixes often resolve misreported data alerts. Restart the phone to apply changes and then monitor mobile data usage for 24-48 hours. If warnings continue, disable that app's notifications for data warnings or perform a safe mode boot to identify third-party interference. This single troubleshooting step isolates background apps causing false alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.